Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, cargo area light, trip odometer. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.